This is a demonstration of analog output of sensor tower platform. These are the electronics inside the sensor tower platform. These are the sensors. Each sensor gives two outputs. These two are the spot lens and these two are the multi-lens. Now we will demonstrate the analog output of sensor tower platform. This is the output of sensor behind spot lens. This is the output of sensor behind multi-lens.
This is a demonstration of the energy harvesting section for the sensor tower platform. We have here the sensor tower platform, which consists of the sensors and the moat within it. The sensors inside the sensor tower platform typically consume less than 1 milliamps of current continuously. The harvesting electronics here consumes about 4 milliamps of current continuously. The moat within the sensor tower platform does sensing, computation and transmission. The moat consumes the highest during transmission, which is typically 75 milliwatts of power for a duration of 4 milliseconds. This energy harvesting section is designed in such a way that even with minimum sunshine hours available, the capacitor here should charge completely and supply power to the electronics. Monsoon is a season which has the least sunshine hours, which is typically 3 hours. So, in the worst case, the capacitor will take time duration of 3 hours to charge completely. For harvesting solar energy, we have made use of thin film panels here of area 0.01 meter square, whose efficiency is about 5% and the maximum power output is 300 milliwatt. We'll now show you a live demonstration. First stage boost converter, the second stage boost converter, which is ultimately going to supply power to the electronics within the sensor tower platform. You can now see that the 300 farad capacitor is charged to 2.5 volts. The output of the 300 farad capacitor is given to the first stage boost converter, which boosts the voltage to 4 volts. You can now see the reading on the multimeter of the output of the first stage boost converter. The output of the first stage boost converter is connected to the second stage boost converter, which boosts 4 volts to 9 volts. And the reading can be seen on the multimeter here. The boosted output from the second stage boost converter provides power to the remaining electronics within the sensor tower platform for it to function.